I'll guide you through how to get more Instagram followers without relying on buying fake accounts or constantly seeing low engagement. If you're looking to permanently solve your brand's visibility problem, or you want to connect with thousands of potential customers, then you need to implement a modern, effective Instagram growth strategy. Then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The number one rule today is quality over quantity. Followers are a vanity metric. We're going to focus on the strategy that attracts 1,000 true fans, engaged users who actually care about your content and offers. Our strategy is built on 4 modern pillars. Pillar 1, Profile SEO, or the foundation. Let's start with optimizing your name for search. This is the single most important action for Instagram SEO and discoverability. Go to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Now, focus on your name field, the bold text, not your @username. You need to add relevant keywords here that your target audience would search for. For example, use DIY home decor, budget renovation tips. Next, define your USP in the bio. This is your hook, where you tell visitors who you help and what specific value you provide them. Be sure to use the 150-character bio space to clearly state your unique selling proposition, or USP. 3. Direct traffic off the platform. Remember, you're building your house on rented land on any social media platform. Owning that email is crucial for long-term success. The link in bio is valuable. Don't just link to your homepage. Use a link in bio tool to direct followers to your email list or free offer. Let's explore Pillar 2, Content Strategy Engine. Number 4, focus on Reels with a strong hook. Reels are currently the main tool for reaching non-followers. Focus on watch time, which is the top-ranking factor. You only have 3 seconds to hook the viewer, so start with an engaging statement or visual. Remember to use trending sounds and create original native content for the platform. Number 5, follow the value principle. Every piece of content must be educational, inspirational, or entertaining. Post what your ideal follower needs to see, not just what's easy to film. Use carousels and long captions to share personal stories or document your process and decision-making, which humanizes your brand. Let's move on to Pillar 3, active engagement to boost. Number 6, use the $1.80 strategy. The idea behind this proactive engagement strategy is to leave 10 valuable comments on 9 different posts every day, equaling 90 comments, which is about $1.80 worth of value you contribute to the platform. So spend dedicated time leaving genuine, insightful comments on the posts of large accounts and competitors in your niche. This puts your name and profile in front of your ideal followers who are already interested in your topic. Number 7, leverage interactive stickers. In your stories, use polls, quizzes, and question stickers daily. This signals high engagement with the algorithm and gives you quick and valuable data on what content your audience wants to see next. Always respond to every meaningful comment and DM to build community. Finally, we'll examine Pillar 4, growth acceleration to scale. Number 8, collaborate with micro-influencers. Partner with accounts that have a smaller following, say between 1,000 and 100,000, but have high engagement rates. A joint reel or giveaway exposes you to a warm, relevant audience, resulting in higher quality follows than a typical cold campaign. For more advanced social media management, check the description below. Now that you've learned how to implement a modern and effective Instagram growth strategy, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Instagram video tutorials. Thanks for watching.